So our project is about machine learning. That is that you have some sort of system that is gathering information and then learning from data. Specifically, we work on something that is called reinforcement learning, where you have an agent and the agent is actuating to a system and then gathering the data back so that you can observe and then improve. So the opportunity we see is that we have these fundamental theories that we develop in our project and that we can take them and use them in practice in areas such as robotics. Robotics is interesting, especially in areas where you interact with humans, physically interact, because then they have to be sensitive and to adjust to the situation. For example, in the future, we can imagine that a lot of robots will be used in the elderly care. Other areas could be, for example, in the manufacturing industry, where you want to have smart industries that adjust to the physical reality, or in bioprocessing. Currently, we divide our project into two sub-projects, one on cyber-physical systems and one on bioprocessing.
In bioprocessing, we're focusing on developing mathematical models in order to have a better understanding, but also in order to have optimization tools. And even in the end of the day, we would like to have feedback control based on these models. Mathematical models for bioprocesses are quite complex because they catch the dynamics of what is happening. And now the cells, which are mammalian cells or human cells, are outside of the body. So we put them in a bioreactor in an artificial environment. So with these models, we can have better tools to better optimize these processes. But we know that the cells are also driven by how the gene expression is. And this is what we do in this project, that we want to bridge gene expression with the expression of the current markers and metabolites that we are measuring in the culture.
Someone said once that there's nothing so practical as a really good theory. And I think that is really what we try to achieve in this project, to get theory to practice.